Platoon number 7, Platoon Commander Havildar Pratik Das of 7 Amphibian Band Platoon Suraikhala, Kokrajhar. Rifle Hussar Platoon number 8, Platoon Commander Miss Anjima Besumagari of Kokrajhar of SSNMP School NCC. Platoon number 9, Platoon Commander Miss Sargosri Deimari of Commerce College, Kokrajhar Scout and Guide. Platoon number 10, Commander Akbarize Platoon Commander Sri Junan Burman of Kokrajhar Gov SSN MP School NSS. Platoon Commander Sri Pranjal Biswasar Netritwat Platoon number 11 of Commerce College, Kokrajhar NSS. Platoon number